When creating cost summary and cost estimate reports for the direct and overhead cost schedules, you have the formatting option to include user-defined columns. This feature is useful when it comes to reviews as it provides transparency and consistency between reports and the direct and overhead cost schedules. Here is an example. In the ribbon menu, navigate to Reports and select Cost Schedule. From this drop-down, you can select one of the cost summary or cost estimate reports. Once you have the report open, to display the report options, click the Change button in the bottom left-hand side of the window. In the Report Options panel, you can tick the box for each user-defined column that you would like to include on the report. Once formatted, clicking the Apply button will reload the report with the options set. Each of the selected user-defined columns will be shown as a column on the report with values against each schedule item. Cost estimate lines on the cost estimate reports will not show values. These formatting options will also be included when exporting to Excel or CSV, either through the ribbon or the report preview export facilities. For more information, see the knowledge base articles linked below this video. Remember, our friendly 24/7 support is here to help you with any questions. Call us right now and say hi. We love to help and hear your feedback. We hope these features help you have more fun and get more done. Contact us and let us know what you think.